Ever wondered why you feel excessively tired, moody, or have sudden weight gain? If so, you're not alone. These are common symptoms that many people experience, yet they often go unnoticed or are misunderstood. These symptoms may be your body's way of signaling an issue with your hormones. Hormones, those tiny yet mighty chemical messengers zipping around your bloodstream, play a significant role in your overall health. They regulate virtually every function in our bodies, from metabolism and growth to mood and sleep. Hormonal imbalance, then, is when there's too much or too little of a hormone in one's bloodstream. Because of the vital role hormones play in our bodies, even the smallest hormonal imbalance can cause side effects throughout the body. So, if you've been feeling off and can't quite put your finger on why, or if you've experienced symptoms like fatigue, mood swings, or unexpected weight fluctuations, it could be a sign of hormonal imbalance. Imagine hormones as the body's control panel, dictating various bodily functions. They are like tiny chemical messengers, bustling around your body, delivering important information to your cells. Let's start with growth and development. From the moment we're conceived, hormones are at work, shaping us. Growth hormone, as the name suggests, is crucial here, stimulating cell reproduction and regeneration. When we reach puberty, a burst of hormones triggers the changes that transition us into adulthood. Then there's metabolism, the complex process by which our bodies convert what we eat and drink into energy. Here, insulin plays a pivotal role. It allows our cells to take in glucose, the sugar that's our primary energy source. Think of insulin as the key that unlocks the cell to let glucose in. Without it, glucose can't enter our cells and instead builds up in the bloodstream. An interesting thing about hormones is that they also affect our mood. Have you ever wondered why you feel a rush of happiness after a good workout? You can thank endorphins, hormones that act as natural painkillers and mood elevators. And let's not forget about serotonin, often called the feel-good hormone, which helps regulate mood, social behavior, appetite, digestion, sleep, and memory. Moving on to sexual function, hormones again take center stage. In women, estrogen regulates the menstrual cycle and prepares the uterus for pregnancy. In men, testosterone is responsible for sperm production and also contributes to libido, bone mass, fat distribution, muscle size and strength, and red blood cell production. Lastly, cortisol, commonly known as the stress hormone, helps control our body's response to stress, but also has functions in metabolism and immune response. Now, each of these hormones has a unique role, but they also work together, maintaining a delicate balance that keeps our bodies functioning optimally. Upsetting this balance can lead to a host of health issues, from minor annoyances to serious conditions. Clearly, hormones play a huge role in our health. So what happens when they go out of balance? Let's delve into that in our next section. Hormonal imbalance isn't something to brush off lightly. It's like a ripple effect in a pond, where a small disturbance can lead to significant consequences. When hormones fall out of balance, this ripple can manifest in various ways, creating an array of health challenges that may seem unrelated at first glance. Let's start with weight gain. When hormones like insulin, ghrelin, and leptin become imbalanced, it can lead to unexplained weight gain. These hormones are the body's main regulators of metabolism and appetite, so any disruption can significantly impact your weight. Mood swings are another common effect of hormonal imbalance. Hormones like serotonin, dopamine, and cortisol play a significant role in our emotional stability. An imbalance can make you feel like you're on an emotional roller coaster, with sudden bouts of sadness, anxiety, or irritability. Next, we have fatigue. It's not just about feeling a bit tired after a long day. It's a profound exhaustion that doesn't seem to go away no matter how much you rest. This could be a sign that your thyroid, a small gland responsible for producing hormones that control your energy levels, is not functioning properly. And let's not forget about fertility issues. Hormones such as progesterone and estrogen are vital for regular menstrual cycles and successful pregnancies. When these hormones are out of sync, it can lead to irregular periods, difficulties conceiving, or even miscarriages. But what causes these imbalances in the first place? Well, it's a combination of factors including stress, poor diet, lack of exercise, and certain medical conditions. High levels of stress can throw your cortisol levels out of whack, while a diet high in processed foods can disrupt insulin production. Lack of exercise can lead to weight gain and further hormonal imbalances, and medical conditions, such as polycystic ovary syndrome, can cause disruptions in a range of hormonal processes. Understanding these effects, it's crucial to know how to balance our hormones naturally. After all, our bodies are finely tuned machines, and hormones are the essential gears that keep everything running smoothly. Balancing hormones naturally starts with a healthy lifestyle. It's not about quick fixes or magic potions, but rather about making long-term changes that can have a profound impact on your overall health. Firstly, maintaining a balanced diet is crucial. This doesn't mean banning certain food groups or sticking to a strict regime. Rather, it's about ensuring you're getting a diverse range of nutrients to support your body's needs. Try to include plenty of fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and whole grains in your diet. These foods are rich in essential nutrients that can help regulate hormone production and balance. Regular exercise is another key aspect of balancing hormones. Physical activity can help reduce stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, while also stimulating the production of endorphins, often referred to as the body's feel-good hormones. Whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga session, or a high-intensity workout, find what works for you and make it a part of your daily routine. Now let's talk about sleep. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to underestimate the importance of a good night's rest. But sleep is when our bodies do a lot of their repair work, including balancing hormones. Strive for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a bedtime routine that promotes relaxation, such as reading a book, sipping a cup of herbal tea, or practicing mindfulness meditation. Stress management is another crucial component of hormonal balance. Chronic stress can throw your hormones out of whack, leading to a myriad of health issues. It's important to find healthy ways to cope with stress, such as practicing mindfulness, doing yoga, or spending time in nature. Remember, these lifestyle changes won't transform your hormonal health overnight. It's about making consistent, sustainable changes that will support your body's natural processes over time. Before making any significant changes to your lifestyle or routine, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific needs and circumstances. This is especially important if you have a pre-existing health condition or are taking medication. In essence, balancing hormones naturally is about taking care of your body as a whole. It's about nourishing your body with a balanced diet, moving your body regularly, prioritizing sleep, and managing stress effectively. While this may seem like a lot to take on, remember that small steps can lead to big changes. Start by making one small change at a time and gradually incorporate more healthy habits into your lifestyle. Over time, these changes can help improve your hormonal health and, in turn, your overall well-being. Remember, it's all about creating a lifestyle that supports your overall health. So, what have we learned about hormones and their role in our health? Throughout our exploration, we've established that hormones are integral to our body's intricate system of communication. They act as messengers, relaying vital information from one body part to another to regulate our physiological functions. From managing our metabolism, mood, and growth to influencing our sleep patterns, hormones are the unsung heroes of our daily lives. However, like any good thing, balance is key. When our hormones are out of sync, we experience what's known as hormonal imbalance. This can trigger a variety of symptoms. You may feel persistently tired, struggle with weight changes, or experience mood swings. It's essential to recognize these signs as potential indicators of hormonal imbalance, not just random, unrelated issues. We've also unraveled the intricate web of effects that hormonal imbalance can have on our bodies. It's not just about feeling out of sorts. Hormonal imbalance can lead to serious health conditions such as diabetes, thyroid disorders, and fertility issues. Understanding these potential implications emphasizes the importance of maintaining hormonal harmony. So how do we do it? How do we balance our hormones naturally? We've discussed a number of ways in our video. Eating a balanced diet rich in protein and healthy fats can provide your body with the nutrients it needs for hormone production. Regular exercise not only keeps you fit, but also helps regulate your hormone levels. Prioritizing sleep and managing stress are also key. They may seem like simple lifestyle changes, but they can have profound effects on your hormonal balance. Balancing hormones naturally is a journey, not an overnight fix. Start by making small changes and consult with a healthcare provider to ensure you're on the right track. Remember, your health is your wealth. Small, consistent steps can lead to significant positive changes in your overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. Stay tuned for more health-related content.